When you're thinking about building an e-commerce business, one of the first things you always want to know is how much money is that actually going to cost you? What's your initial investment typically for an e-commerce business, let's say on Amazon, for instance? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you can expect to outlay so you'll be able to make an educated decision about whether or not you're going to get started. Now, if you like this kind of content where I'm helping you make money online, whether that's on eBay or Etsy, Amazon or Shopify, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And also consider subscribing to my channel because we post brand new content each and every day. And if you've got a question you want me to answer, comment below and I'll answer it there for you. All right, let's get right into it. An Amazon business is a very simple business in essence. We buy cheaply from one spot, we transport to a place where we can sell at a higher price, and then we sell at that higher price, okay? That is in essence the Amazon business. It's an arbitrage business really, isn't it? You're buying cheaply in one country and selling expensively in another country. That's really arbitrage, okay? So that's how the businesses work. So what that means is this part of the business, the buying the stock for the business, is the biggest investment initially that you make in the business. So let's just quickly talk about that. How much do you need to invest? So let's have a look at some examples. Here's two examples, okay? Let's suppose you're gonna sell frying pans. That's what you've decided you want to do. I brought a frying pan over the weekend. Let's suppose you want to sell frying pans on Amazon. So you come over to Alibaba, you go looking for frying pans, and you find that they cost somewhere around $5 or $6, okay? Somewhere around that $5 or $6 mark, and you decide you want to put 100 of them into your store here in Australia. So now you're up for 100 by $5, you're up for $500, okay? As startup capital for your stock. And typically, again, stock is the main portion of your budget for your Amazon business, okay? Pretty simple to get your head around that. Versus, we've decided we're going to sell ergonomic chairs, okay? So we find an ergonomic chair, and what do these cost? Somewhere around $50, say, okay? And so we put 100 of them in our store, and now we're up for 100 by $50, we're up for $5,000, okay? So depending on what you sell, that is the biggest influencer into your startup costs. Of course, there are other things, but typically stock for your store represents the biggest investment initially anyway that you'll make in your store, make in your business, stock to sell, okay? And then of course you can come across and sell those products on Amazon. It's pretty cheap, $35 for a nice frying pan. Or you might sell your ergonomic chair that you purchased for $50. Well, you might sell that for $200 on Amazon, okay? That's where the big portion of your money goes into. It's that. All right, so what do you guys reckon? Now, what have we got? 5,000, 10,000, 4,000, 20,000, 1,500, 500, 50,000. It depends, does depend. 3,000, 5,000. More is better. Who said that? Brad. More is better. I agree. The more money you've got, the better. Why? Pretty simple. You can just do more shit. You can sell more stuff. You can market more stuff. You can just do more stuff. So the more you have, the better. How much do you need? You can start these businesses. Man, you can start these businesses with next to fuck all. You truly can. You could wholesale your products in Australia. You could be up and running with an Amazon business for $100 if you wanted to. The thing that you get by investing more money into your business is speed to market and speed to profit, high profit. That's what more money gets you, okay? Versus spending $100 on wholesale, for instance, to put 10 products, what you got for $10 each into your store. Well, you ain't going to make much money initially, and you'll have to keep reinvesting it to do it, but you can do it that way too. So the more you've got just means the faster you get higher amounts of profit. That's what it means. But you can absolutely start. I mean, we've got some people putting $50,000 here. And you could start a business with $50,000, and you could also start exactly the same fundamental business, buy from here, sell here, for $100. And everything in between those two figures as well, okay? The more you invest, the better. No doubt about it. But you can start with $100. You can start with $50,000. You can, as Procter & Gamble do, start with multiple millions of dollars as well. And everything in between. Everything in between. That was a video from my regular Monday night open Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We've got over 2,500 members right around the world, all building their own e-commerce businesses. We're actually the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia. If you'd like to find out more, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.